Hi, this video is about how to install one of these, a PayRange Blue Key device, onto a Maytag MHN33 or a Maytag MHN30 front-loading washer. Now for both of them, it's the same process in terms of where you connect it to the board. So I'm just going to do the MHN30s for now. We'll do the 33 some other time. But hopefully this will give you an idea of where to start. The reason why I'm doing this is not necessarily an endorsement of PayRange, nor am I a technician. I am just simply doing this because I've run into a lot of owners that have bought PayRange or other payment system devices. They get the instructions and they're not sure where to begin. So hopefully this quick tutorial will give you an idea of where to begin and how to set up your machines. So the first thing you need to do is take the soap drawer out, and you can do that just by popping it out like you normally do. And you take out the screws on the front faceplate, as well as the two screws that right over here that hold in the edge of your frame. Then you need to take out the screws that are right here once you've got the faceplate off on both sides. That'll allow you to take the faceplate off, and then you can take and get open for your access to your UI board. Now when working with an older machine, once I take this off, you'll notice you get a lot of the soap residue and everything else that's been on there for a long time. For all your haters, quiet. I'm sure that your machines aren't perfectly clean either, especially since I got these used, and this is the first time I'm opening this particular one. I like to clean all that stuff out. Now once you've got everything cleaned up and you've got your UI board access, what you want to do is you want to take your Blue Key and your Blue Key harness that they provide you, and you want to attach them. And notice they've got the dip switches right here, and there's an off side and an on side. The off side is to the left, the on side is to the right. Follow the directions that you're sent, because there are different options for you, whether or not you want to count quarters going in, or whether or not you just want to count PayRange transactions. So set your dip switches appropriately to the combination of either on or off. Then you've got your harness here, and you've got this little plastic twist tie. Take that off because you're going to need some extra room for all the wiring. Then, once you've got that taken care of, find and place, thread your Blue Key device towards the bottom of the board just to keep it out of the way. And the nice thing about MHN30s and 33s is they've got this big gap over here for the credit card system if it was an on-premise machine, so you can put it right there. Once you've got it threaded through, take this 6-pin harness, put the pins up, find that 6-pin connector on the back of the UI board, and then what you've got then is this control right here. You've got a male plug and a female plug. Go over here to the coin 1, find coin 1 plug. You unplug that and you plug that end that comes out of the machine into the female connection on your PayRange harness. Just like that. Hit the snap. Then you take the male plug of your PayRange harness and plug that back into coin 1. Now you should be ready to program your Blue Key device. By the way, do all this with the power off. So after you have your Blue Key program to whatever prices and things that you want, you need to turn off the power to the machine at the cord or at the circuit breaker. Turn it off, give it about 10 seconds, turn everything back on. That should upload and everything be finalized in your PayRange program, and now you're ready to just button everything back up. So put your UI board back in. See, with this nice little pocket, perfect for PayRange right there. If you got a blue light flashing, you're good to go. Screw it back in and you're set. So now that you've got everything all buttoned up and you've cycled the power, you want to test to make sure everything works. So go to PayRange here and open up your app and go to the machine that you want to test. In this case, it's 6. And sometimes they'll give you a coupon to test it if you've registered the thing for the first time. I like to just slide a quarter just to see if it pays through, and it tells me to select my cycles and everything like that. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to go down here, and sure enough, it went from $2 to $175, so I know it works. And of course, once you've got your test running and everything is okay, the last thing you need to do is put the sticker somewhere so your customers know that you have PayRange on this machine and what machine number it is. So thank you for watching. Hope this helps.